S1 orbital and P3 orbital. So hybridization will be D2sp3 as it is. So hybridization is D2sp3. It is clear. Shape will octahedral. It is clear, no problem. Now we are going to discuss about the magnetic property. Magnetic property is changed because here is the unpaired one electron. Clear? So this unpaired electron will change the magnetic property. Magnetic property of this one will be paramagnetic, and value of its theoretical value will be 1.83 Bohr magneton, and practical value will be 1.80 Bohr magneton. So both the value having little bit difference. Theoretical value is 1.83 and practical value is 1.80 bm. So just same complex compound, but the oxidation state of ion is changed, then magnetic property is changed, but geometrical structure is not changed. Again I am repeating, we are having FeCN6 minus. Name of that one is hexacyanoferrate. Oxidation state is 3. We have decided charge is rear over return, so we must write down over here ion. First we will see the electronic configuration of Fe only, then we have to fill 26 electron, so argon 18 electron, 4s 22 means 2 electron, means 18 plus 2 20, remaining 6 electron is filled over here. Now we are having Fe3 plus, so 3 electron will lost, 2 electron will lost from 4s, and 1 electron will lost from even electron from d orbital. So we are having Fe3 plus. This is the electronic configuration. When cyanide is attached with Fe, then it is strong ligand, so rearrangement will done. This electron will transfer over here, this electron will transfer here. New electronic configuration of Fe3 plus will this one. We have to fill 6 electron pair donated by the cyanide, so we have filled 6 electron pair. 2 pair will be filled in D2 d orbitals, 1 pair will be filled in s orbital, and 3 pair will be filled in p orbitals. So hybridization will be D2sp3. So shape will be octahedral, but here is one unpaired electron, so magnetic property is changed. It is paramagnetic. Theoretical value is 1.83 and practical value is 1.80 bm. So now it is clear. Now we are having another complicated example of complex ion. Let's see. Let's see. Most important, MnO4 minus. First we will give the nomenclature of this one. This is having 4 ligand. Again repeating 4 ligand. So name of this one will what? Tetraoxo. Negative ion, so it is manganate. Oxidation state of manganese is what? Then this is minus 2 into 4. Total minus 8. So Mn must be plus 7, minus 8 plus 7, so here will be charge is minus 1, so Mn is plus 7, so we have to write down oxidation state 7, and this is ion. So tetraoxomanganate 7 ion, this is the nomenclature of this complex ion. Now we are having electronic configuration and donation of electron pair by ligand. Let's see what is the hybridization of this complex ion. Let's see. So Mn oxidation number, atom number Mn is 25. So we have to fill 25 electron Mn. It is 25. Argon 18 we have filled. Then here will be 3D. Here will be 4s. And here will be 4D. 4s. Here will be 4p. Clear. So we have to fill total 25 electron. So argon 18, 4s will fill first, so 18 to 20. Now we are having 5 electron, 21, 22, 23, 24 and 25. So this is the electronic configuration of Mn, not Mn plus 7. We have filled 25 electron. Now we are having Mn plus 7 plus, then we have to fill only 18 electron. So 7 electron will lost, for 2 electron will lost from here and 5 electron will lost here. So this all the suborbitals and s orbital will remain totally vacant. So we are having argon 18 electron only. This d orbital will become vacant because loss of 5 electron and this loss of 2 electron. This is the electronic configuration of Mn7. Oxidation state is 7 if manganese having. Now we are having the complex ion MnO4 minus. We have to donate 4 electron pair to 4 electron pair to this d orbital and s orbital. So first oxygen, one oxygen will donate electron pair in outermost orbital 4s. So here will be electron pair. Remaining 3 orbital will fill 3 electron pair to 3 orbitals of d. So 2 electron pair will fill like this. So we are having the electronic configuration is D3s. Here is D3 and here is S. So electronic hybridization is D3s. So shape will be tetrahedral. If we are having sp3 hybridization or D3s hybridization, shape will be tetrahedral common. Kindly try to understand. This is very most important. Now we are having any unpaired electron? No. We are having not any unpaired electron. So magnetic property will what? It is diamagnetic. And value of mu will be 0 bm because there is not any unpaired electron pair present after completing complex ion. Don't see here 5 unpaired electron. When complex ion is formed, then we have to see that is there any unpaired electron, then we will decide its magnetic property. Until complex ion is not formed, we should not decide magnetic property. So very most important. Again I am repeating, MnO4 tetraoxomanganate 7 ion. It is nomenclature. Atom number of manganese is 25. So we have filled 25 electron. Argon 18 electron. 2 electron will first fill in 4s. 18 plus 2 20. Remaining 5 electron will fill in 5d suborbitals. Now we are having oxidation state of Mn is plus 7. That is decided by this calculation. Then we have to filled only 18 electron, 2 electron will lost from here, 5 electron will lost from here, total d orbital become vacant and s orbital will also become vacant. We have to draw just the presence of p orbitals. Now 4 oxygen will give 4 electron pair. First electron pair will be given in s orbital. It is compulsory because it is weak. Then after remaining 3 electron pair will fill in d orbital. So we are having the electron hybridization is d3s. If hybridization is sp3 or d3s, then the shape will be tetrahedral. It is equivalent to sp3 hybridization shape. Is there any unpaired electron? Though no, there is not any unpaired electron, so the magnetic property will be diamagnetic and the mu value will be 0 bm. So it is now clear. So you have to give me homework. Some students are not sending me homeworks. When school will start, I will see all records and discuss with parents. Now I am giving 2 complex ion in homework. Try to solve like this. Kindly do this. Homework 2 complex ion. Give name, discuss its geometrical shape and its magnetic property. First is Fe, F6, 3 minus. This is the first. Second is CO, Na3, 3 plus. You just try to solve these 2 complex ion, its electronic configuration and its structure and its magnetic property. So you have studied properly this topic very well. Kindly revise my video lecture and send me homework 2 times without fail. Thank you very much.